If you're dealing with a nagging cough, you might want to try the soothing star anise tea. Made with natural ingredients like star anise, honey, cloves, cinnamon, turmeric, black pepper, and ginger, this tea not only warms you up, but may also ease your throat irritation. To prepare, simply boil water and add a few star anise pods along with a teaspoon each of honey and cloves. For added flavor and health benefits, toss in a stick of cinnamon, a pinch of turmeric, a few black peppercorns, and some freshly grated ginger. Let it steep for about 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. This warm concoction could be just what you need to find some relief. Have you tried star anise tea? Share your experience in the comments and tag someone who needs this remedy.